Consider a time when you've been late. It happens to all of us from time to time, and it occasionally results from things outside of our control. But overall, we are the keepers of our own time, and we have the ability to work to support our efforts with the application of effective skills, techniques, and practices for success in this area. This presentation will focus on you and will ask you to reflect on your roles, your personal strengths, your daily practices, your habits, and communication style. Together, all of these elements help to build a foundation for time management. Ultimately, that foundation can be further strengthened by supports put into place in areas of productivity and communication.